Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TECNO Spark 20C. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of TECNO. Then you can finally use all of those categories available at the top of your Android device and select all of your files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, copy all of those numbers and hit Receive button. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up after closing an ad. And last but not least, point your device's camera at the code. Then just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!